Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to use Dsers to fulfill orders on Shopify. Are you looking for a way to use Dsers to fulfill Shopify orders? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So what you need to do is log into your Shopify account or start your free trial. Once you've logged in, this is what your dashboard will be like. What you'd want to do is click on the apps option on the left menu of your dashboard. As you can see here, you have the Dsers AliExpress dropshipping app available for you to download. But if it's not appearing here, what you want to do is click on Find Products. As you can see here, the Dzer app is available. So click on the application and on the next page, click on Add App. And then on the next page, what you need to do is click on Install App. Once you've done installing, this is what the screen will be looking like. You need to register and create an account for the Dzer app. The next screen will be the pricing page. So for now, let's use the free option. But if you want to invest on the Dzer app, you could use any of these options. And the pricier it is, the more features it gives you. The next step says that you need to link your AliExpress. So click on the AliExpress option where you will log into your AliExpress account. Afterwards, you would want to click on Find Supplier in AliExpress, and as you can see, there's a ton of products you can use. So to start importing, choose a product you'd want to add to your shop. When you've chosen a product, just hover your mouse over it and it will show you an option to import. One way to do this is to go to AliExpress, the website of AliExpress, its homepage, and look for a product you'd want to import. For example, choose casual pants in men's fashion. Let's say we want to import this specific item over here. Simply click on it to go to the product page. In the product page, copy the product link and go back to Dsers import list and paste the product URL there. Then you need to click on the box to push the product to Shopify and click OK. And here you can see we have the casual pants now in our Dzer import list. If you want to add this to your Shopify account, just hover your cursor on it and click push to Shopify. Do not click continue selling when you out of stock, because that's illogical. That's just, no. How can you sell a product if it's out of stock? So what you want to do is click on also publish online store. Then click on push to Shopify. Doing this will add this specific product to your Shopify account. Go back to your Shopify and you will see the product has been successfully added. Next thing you do is click on it and you can start editing the product. As you can see here, you can change the title, the description, and pretty much everything, including changing the pricing on the product. But what you need to make sure is that the pricing change you do includes the shipment cost, so you won't fall short. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. That's how you connect Dsers to your AliExpress and to your Shopify accounts. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.